You know that feeling when someone says one thing and suddenly your whole mood is ruined? Here's something most people don't know. Anger doesn't last forever unless you keep it alive. Your body releases stress chemicals, but they fade quickly. What keeps anger going is a story you keep repeating in your head. You replay what they said again and again. You imagine what you should have said. You build the anger bigger. But here's the truth. They're not controlling your emotions. You are. And once you understand this, everything changes. Right before you react, there's a small moment, a pause. That moment is your power. You can react, or you can choose peace. People who never get angry, they've mastered this one thing. They pause. Instead of becoming the anger, watch it. Say this in your mind. I notice I'm getting angry. That one sentence creates distance. Now you're not the emotion. You're observing it. And suddenly, it loses control over you. Most anger comes from the story you tell yourself. They disrespected me. They don't care about me. But what if they're just stressed or having a bad day? Change the story, and you change how you feel. Here's the truth. Peace is not something you find, it's something you choose. No one can control your emotions unless you give them permission. So next time you feel anger, pause, observe, and let it go. That's real power. Control your mind, control your life. Thanks for watching. This is Actually Productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.